My name is Jose with Bay Area Film Solutions. Here we have a 2020 Camaro ZL1. Owner installed the windshield protection film from Bray last year, around this same time. Driven it for a year, got it beat up. Drives about, I would say 50 to 75 miles a day. Constant driving on highways. Wanted to protect the windshield from getting cracked, and here's the example. It's all beat up, all sorts of stuff. I actually wiped it down and it's still pitted. So we'll pull some of the film off, so you can see how the windshield pretty much looks brand spanking new. That's glue. That's glue. Not sure. Be a side by side with the film after a year, and the windshield pretty much looks brand new. There's 2 or 3 spots where it went through the film, but at least it didn't crack the glass. You see, all the chips just does a little microchip. Saves the customer hundreds of dollars. You save that factory original bead. Yeah, hit us up. Instagram, socials. We can definitely take care of this for you.